10 things to avoid before bed for better sleep. Caffeine. Skip that evening coffee. Caffeine can stay in your system for up to 6 hours. Heavy meals. Eating a big meal before bed can cause discomfort and indigestion. Intense exercise. While exercise is great, intense workouts close to bedtime can keep you awake. Screens. The blue light from phones and computers can disrupt your sleep cycle. Scary or thrilling content. Avoid intense movies or books that might keep your mind racing. Alcohol. It might make you sleepy, but alcohol can disrupt your sleep quality. Clutter. A messy room can lead to a cluttered mind. Stressful conversations. Avoid heavy or stressful conversations right before bed. Work. Stop working at least an hour before bed to help your mind unwind. Overthinking. Try relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation to calm your mind. Using the wrong pillow can significantly reduce the quality of your sleep. Upgrade your sleep. Upgrade your life. Click the link in bio to learn more.